dar inicio al evento de Demo Day, que es parte de esta nueva generación MIC por Microsoft Innovation Center. Y es parte de un piloto que se lanzó este año a nivel global y de los cuales Chile tuvo la suerte de participar junto a otros 3 países: Pakistán, Armenia y Nepal. With no further introduction, I'm going to leave you with Wilson, which will represent and give you your opinion from Microsoft's point of view. And then I'll leave it up to Susan to tell you a little bit more about the program and their expectations and what else they have in mind for the future. Wilson.
Thank you Pablo, and thank you all for being here in this special activity for us. So you are the most important part of this event. We invited some special guests from our corporate or more biggest customers here in Chile. We have here Codelco, Banco de Chile, Entel.
Thank you for having me. I'm so happy I got to be here on this very special day. So I run a company called Venture Hive in Miami. We run an accelerator in Miami because that's where we test and create content and our platform so that we can help other programs all over the world, not just build good entrepreneurs, but build entrepreneurs who understand a global perspective of building businesses.
Vamos a partir ahora con los pitch. Son 6 minutos de pitch. Que pasen bien y disfruten.
Let's talk about crime. Do you know how many cars have been stolen in your neighborhood the last month? Well, I'm Fernando here with Patricia Lopez. We are co-founders of LookApp, and we'll answer this question of this neighborhood at the end of this presentation. LookApp is a data service for citizens in which the citizens can report, share, and review any type of crime around them. Also, this data is available to companies and institutions in order to with knowledge package and real-time services. The crime is the issue in Latin America. In Latin America, the unsafety perception soared 3 times in the last 10 years, but just 50% of this data is in the official stats. So, as we talk, LookApp is a data service for citizens in a mobile and web service, where citizens can report 9 types of crime. They can review all the crime issues around them through a map or push notifications and share this information with other peers. We collect the information for public sources and other sources to put them over the application and web. And they can report us. In the other side is a data service for companies, institutions and citizens too, through a knowledge, real-time information and value-added services. In short, we want to be a waste of crime. This is how it looks. You can put the address, you can report or geolocate it. You need to choose one of these 9 types of crimes and review the date and the address and next one. After this, you can identify it was with balance, and it's done to share. And one icon is on the map, or push notification. And you can review all the crimes around you, and you can review the ratings and comments. And review also the user's profile. Our business model is a big data model, but in the short term, we are looking for real-time products for companies and institutions such as public transportation or shopping centers. We review our system, knowledge products with predictive models, indicators and trends, and value-added services for citizens, such as monitoring. The market size of users in Chile is around 1.3 million of crime issues and 1.4 million of victims of crime in Chile. In Latin America, this number soars more than 46 million of people related with crime. We have competitors. Competitors in Chile is on the B2B area, but they don't have a B2C leg. And in the region, we have a B2B, B2C mobile and web competitors, but they don't have a B2B focus. Actually, one of them is a non-profit foundation. And American competitors, one of them was recently acquired by Motorola Solutions. But we are a blend of both sides, B2B or B2C. Our team, we are a great team. We blend the mix of entrepreneurial background and corporate background. Patricia, she's an architect and entrepreneur. She had a master's degree in urban development and in management with real estate ventures. And also she founded a multimedia startup. She is a member of the board of one foundation of science. And Fernando, for example, is our CTO. He has a background in like CTO corporate, in transport, industries, pharmaceutical, and government. And I am a civil engineer too, with background in retail, financial services, and media. And John Gibbs with social media and IT things. Our challenge is the traction. Our marketing strategy is a mix between brick and mortar and social media. We have an API focus. In short, we are looking for report and share in everywhere. And we collect this information through over our map, our notification in our app or web. And we're looking for a strategic partner to give us reputation and P&L. Also, they can be a sales channel. All these things is running for campaigns with organizations, with specific topics of this type of users, such as bikers, students, or commuters. Little by little, we are need to traction. In short, in summary, we are different and better. We're focused on crime, official stats, notifications, B2C oriented, but we make money with a B2C model. We are playing team. We're live. Our state of the art is we put a prototype over Google Play, and we hope we have more than 800 downloads from August 1st. We are testing user experience. We are learning with the customers, and we are working right now in our iOS version. It's not just a tech. It's just we are testing for marketing campaigns with community action, brick and mortar, social media campaigns, public relations, the better strategy, and community manager action with content. So with a cost acquisition, we are looking for right now a grant or a ticket to finance our first version, marketing plan, and operation. And the answer. So this is a very pretty good neighborhood. And this is how it looks in LookApp. Just one car thief, 2 blocks to the south. So if you park there, go there. Thank you very much. You can download LookApp and share your experience with us. Over to you.